Another thing you might want to do is to make a short video from a still image. I have here an image of a postage stamp. It's Ayn Rand, so it's a long time ago, 33 cents for postage. She was a famous author. It's U.S. postage, so it's not copyright. All right, so, and it's showing you it plays it for, I guess, 10 seconds or something by default. So if I want to actually have, if I'm doing something and I've got a video and I want to insert a still image into the video, the image has to become a video, and then attach it to the other video, insert it in the middle of transitions, all that stuff. But I got to make it a video first, and it's going to be made in the right format. But okay, so I've checked it off. There's the video. That's a JPEG, as you can see as I mouse over it. You can see the underlying name there. So if I go to the AV filters, now if I go over here, this is it over here, generate a clip from an image. This is the duration of the clip by default. It's 10 seconds. And it's going to create an image, which I believe is going to be defaulted to whatever is set up here. So this is set to 720 by 480, so that's what it should do. So if you're going to put still images into your video, the still images need to become videos. So here we're hopefully doing it. It shouldn't take too long, because it's a relatively quick operation. All right, clear log, and here is the video, and you see it came out to be 720 by 480, which is the default, and it's an MP4. Now you're going to see basically the same thing. It's not going to look dramatically different, but you could now insert this into a transition, which I will do here. Some of these Mabel Zippy videos. Now it's going to be in the order in which it sees them, so I'm going to move Mabel Zip the transition down. So we got this, the video, the still image, and the other one's going to go click, click, and I'm going to go over to the AV filters, and they all should be the same size, so I'm okay, I hope. And let's click random and see what it generates. Let's see what it generates. And it can also be a problem, but yeah, it should select some of those transitions as it's putting them together. Now the middle thing is relative. The middle video is relatively short, the compression should work pretty quick on a video that consists entirely of the same image, but it's chewing along here. And well, some of these, okay, there's the end of one video, start of it now, that must have been the middle video. Here's the third video getting blended in. But if you're making some kind of a documentary and you want to insert slides, this is one of the ways to do it. And you get a transition. You can select the transitions, of course, but I'm using random here. And I don't know what it's going to pick. Hopefully it'll pick one that works. We should be almost done. No, it's still doing it. It might be giving me the transition. I don't know what all these things are. It doesn't tell me what video it's working on. I could probably work to have it say what video it's working on. There's a lot of information. If you start this up from a terminal window, you will see all of the FFmpeg messages. And some of those messages can be relevant if something goes wrong. They will tell you, albeit very obscurely, what went wrong. It seems to be taking a long time. I wonder what it's doing. You may want to, I'm starting it from a desktop link, but if you started from a terminal window, you're going to see all of the gory details, because it dumps all my program plus FFmpeg plus all the other software, VLC. They all throw things into the standard out, or I think it may be standard error, I'm not sure. And you will see all of the gory details. Let's see what's going on over here. Anyway, it's not showing me anything over there. My CPU is up to 67 degrees. It kind of have to clamp it at around 72. Again, it's very old. You may be able to hear the fan ramping up in the background. But, all right, have we finished? Yes. Let's see what we got. Now, I'll skip ahead because the other things, it was 102. So that would be, these two are 90, as we did when we merged them earlier on another video, they come out to be 96 because there's an overlap during the transition. So 96 plus 10 would be 106, but we only got 102 because this is another transition. So this extra transition, so the final number of seconds here, that's what that column means. The number of seconds is not going to be the sum of the seconds of the participants because they are running overlapped from some period of time. All right, so I will jump around through the video and you'll see me moving it over there. Okay, I'm at 40 seconds now, so the transition should take place pretty quick.
Rock and roll stars barking, jumping, catching frisbees in the air. They'll have you moving.
Did a circular wipe. Yeah, let's see what the other one's going to be.
We're running miles of speed.
Right. So yeah, that's pretty good if you want, if you've got you're inserting slides, but you can make them videos first, and so that's how you make things into videos, make slides into videos. All right.